Good morning, traders, and this is your Dow Jones day trade setup for today. So all the noise is finished. We are finished with all our stock splits and rebundling of the Dow. So now it's time to start looking at this index again. So we had an engulfing bar, but yeah, it's still a very strong uptrend. So that, to me at the moment, is just a one bar pullback in a bull trend at the moment. So nothing to really worry about right now. That is the level of support further down. We didn't quite get there, which is 28,173. And we still have this pretty big magnet to the upside, which is this previous gap. Okay, so just getting down to levels that we can trade today. Looking for structure on the 3 hour. We have a pin bar here, but bit of indecision. Big tails up, big tails down, big indecision, big confusion. We are pretty much flirting with this area here, which is a double top. There's one leg, there's a second leg. We've broken below the neckline of it and we are busy testing it. Okay, yeah, as I say, I'm not interested in shorting. The trend is high, so I doubt that will play out. May surprise me, but I doubt that will play out. I'm looking for us to get above this level and hold it. Okay, so this is 28,492. If we don't get above this level and hold it, then I'm definitely looking to buy further down, which will be here at 28,173. Okay, so watching the hour, you'll see pin bars here, pin bars, engulfing bars. A lot of structure coming off this area here. So look to the left and you'll see there is an area of potential, what was resistance, now support. There it is there. So that does look fairly interesting. This trend line from yesterday is still being respected. So that just leads me to believe that this is the level I need to pay attention to. So that's 28,492. Break above it, pull back, hold it, and start giving me some bullish price action. That gives me long, and I'm looking for 28,983 as my target. Okay, so guys, that's pretty much me on the Dow at the moment. I'm looking for structure, I'm looking for support to hold, and that is what I'm looking to get into. Okay, I'm not looking to short it. It doesn't matter what happens. If this double top does play out, so be it. Let's just see where that target is. Well, it would be the bottom level support. So the double top does play out, so be it. I will wait for it further down to buy into it. Okay, not interested in getting in short on a market that is trending like this. Okay, so that's pretty much me for today. I hope it helps. And one thing for sure, if we do get back down into this area, there's going to be quite a bit of buying. There's quite a lot of support here. Look at that area there as well. So, and that is 27,985. So it's basically the 2800 area. You're going to find a lot of support. Okay, and yeah, onwards and upwards as far as I'm concerned. 28,9, what is this? 28,983, and then 2,900 being a round number will be the next target. Okay, anyway, hope it helps, and we will catch up with you later. Cheers for now.